Is the crash of your savings inevitable in today's volatile market, or do you hold the keys to financial edge? As inflation gnaws at your hard-earned money, understanding stock market investing transforms from a luxury to a necessity. But beware, myths and misconceptions lurk, ready to derail new investors before they find their footing. Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll possess a proven strategy that the top 1% leverage to convert a small investment into significant profit. This is not just investing, it's mastering the art of informed financial decision-making to gain a lasting advantage. Diving into the stock market starts with understanding basic terms like stocks, dividends, and indices. Whether it's the bull or bear market, recognizing these fundamental concepts forms your investing bedrock. Building on this foundation, you'll swiftly translate complex financials into intuitive insights. Yet, knowledge is only the beginning. Success demands an actionable plan, choosing when to buy, when to hold, and most importantly, when to sell. Emotional investing is a frequent trap for beginners, but with a measured approach, you can navigate even the stormiest markets with confidence. Choosing the right stocks involves meticulous research. Evaluating companies based on financial reports and market trends empowers you to make informed decisions. This strategic foresight allows you to identify opportunities that might otherwise be hidden beneath layers of industry jargon. Risk management is a non-negotiable aspect of investing. While high-risk investments can offer substantial returns, diversifying your portfolio minimizes the risk of a devastating plunge. Striking the right balance not only preserves your capital but sets a steady foundation for growth. For beginners, leveraging technology is crucial. Investment apps offer real-time data and analytics, demystifying the trading process. Thus, staying informed through cutting-edge technology heightens your awareness of potential market movements, keeping you one step ahead. If you're finding this video informative, let us know by clicking that like button below. We want to hear your thoughts and experiences. Leave a comment to join the conversation and enhance our understanding of what truly works in the stock market. Pause, wait. Let's freeze frame for a second. If you don't get this part, the rest makes no sense. We mapped this out in our previous video, check it out later. Now, back to reality. Successful investors don't gamble, they apply calculated strategies that guide every move. In the ever-evolving world of finance, seasoned investors adapt to new market dynamics. Continually refreshing your knowledge keeps you from becoming obsolete. Remember, even small changes in monetary policy or economic activity can have outsized effects on your investments. Mentorship can be invaluable. Connecting with experienced investors provides insights that textbooks can't cover. They share real-world challenges and successes, providing you a blueprint to refine your own strategies and avoid common pitfalls. Long-term thinking is crucial. Short-term volatility should never distract you from a well-thought-out goal. Secure your financial future by sticking to your plan and being resilient in the face of market fluctuations. This mindset forms the core of successful investing. The role of psychological fortitude in investing cannot be understated. Market sentiments swing investor emotions, but mental discipline keeps your focus on facts over feelings. This steadiness ensures you don't hastily react to the noise of short-term volatility. As we near the conclusion, remember that wealth building through the stock market requires persistence, knowledge, and discipline. Each investment decision is a step towards a more secure financial future, a future where you control your financial destiny. Subscribe now to access more groundbreaking insights. Don't forget to click the link in the description for your ultimate money guide. This resource will equip you with strategies and support, empowering your journey from a beginner to a savvy investor.